Hello students, so today we are going to end this chapter. Okay, today we are having the last topic of chapter number 1 of history, that is impact of the Renaissance on the modern world. Okay, Renaissance enabled Europe to enter the modern age centuries ahead of others. So Renaissance, it gave the authority, enabled means it gave the authority to Europe, so to enter the modern age, means they can also now adopt the modern period ahead of others, means like others were doing, so they can also. The critical and adventurous, self-confident, critical means disapproving, people were disapproving, and it was adventurous, self-confident spirit of a Renaissance with its bold expressions in art, literature, science and geographical explorations completely transformed Europe. So they were having knowledge, now they gained knowledge about art, literature, science, geography, explorations. Okay, so because of that, the Europe was totally changed now. With great scientific discoveries and inventions and knowledge of sea routes, both east and westward, Europe became a natural leader at the point of time. Okay, so now it was having the knowledge of trade also, sea routes also, and everything. Now Europe, it became a natural leader. Okay, the Renaissance scholars, with their emphasis of rationalism and humanism, found it difficult to accept the blind dogmas and corrupt practices of the Catholic Church. So the scholars, means those who were more educated, they were now not ready to accept the you can say Catholic Church rules. Okay, so they were now trying to adopt something new. Okay, so now they were against the rules of the Catholic Church. Okay, and blind dogmas means people, they were believing in the church people. Okay, so now they were against them. Several reformers held the Catholic Church guilty of corruption. So many reformers, a person who makes change. Okay, so that persons, they found that Catholic Church is guilty. Okay, means they are blameworthy, they have done too much of corruption and they have very badly behaved with people. Catholic Church, they argued, had deviated from what Christ has originally preached. So Catholic Church, they argued means give reason in support of an idea. Okay, means why they have done that, they have argued also. They deviated means diverged. Now they have diverged from the Christ has originally preached, means what the Christ has told them, now what their religion has preached them, they have taught them, they were not following that thing. Okay, means they were away from that path. Thus began the Reformation movement, eventually dividing the Christians into two sects, Catholic and Protestant. So because of that, the Christians were divided. Okay, the Reformation, the changes were done and the Christians were divided into two sections, that was Catholics and Protestants. Protestants was those who were against Catholics. Okay, so Protestant, you can say a member or follower of Western Christian Church, now he is no more part of that, means they are against them. The geographical exploration during the Renaissance resulted in the shift of trade from the Mediterranean to the Atlantic. So after the journeys were done, okay, explorations were done, so after that there was a shift in trade, means from Mediterranean, now they have expanded their trade to Atlantic. Portugal and England became commercially more important than Turkey and Italy. So now they have learned doing trade in a well manner. Okay, now they have became more you can say, means they were having knowledge of buying and selling the things than Turkey and Italy. The Western countries established colonies, okay, in Asia, Africa and America. It brought about revolutionary economic changes in Europe. Now Europe was totally changed. The increase in trade and the establishment of colonies along with scientific inventions ultimately brought about the industrial revolution in Europe. So now they were going to set up industries. European civilization and Christianity took root in the colonies, means now they were living in the colonies. Christians missionaries were inspired by religious zeal to convert the people of the colonies into Christianity. Now Christian missionaries, means missionaries, the person, those who are on mission. Okay, they were inspired by religious zeal. Zeal means passion. to convert the people into Christianity, okay, means those who have became Protestant. So they wanted now again to follow the Christianity. Francis Xavier, one of the famous missionaries, converted thousands of people in Goa and Kerala to Christianity, okay. Means now the people, though they have changed, okay, the Pope and everything, now they were not ruling, okay. So that's why the people wanted that again the people should follow Christianity, they should be a part of Christianity. Then Francis Xavier, he was a famous missionary, okay, and he converted thousands of people from Goa and Kerala to Christianity. So beta, chapter is completed today, okay. So in next video we will start with new chapter. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Revise it. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.